Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall DocuSign templates and connections, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall DocuSign templates, start by logging into your DocuSign account. Navigate to the templates section from the main dashboard. Locate the template you wish to uninstall. Hover over the template's name to reveal the options menu. Click on the More button, usually represented by 3 dots. Select Delete from the drop-down options. Confirm the deletion in the pop-up prompt that appears. Now, to uninstall connections, go back to the main dashboard. Click on the admin icon in the left-hand menu. Select Connect from the administrative options. You will see a list of your current connections. Find the connection you want to uninstall. Click on the connection's name to access its details. Choose the Delete option at the bottom of the Connection Details page. Confirm the deletion in the confirmation dialog. After completing these steps, both the selected templates and connections will be uninstalled successfully. Ensure you check your list of templates and connections to confirm that they are no longer present. If you encounter any issues, refer to the DocuSign support page for further assistance. This concludes the process of uninstalling DocuSign templates and connections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.